Hey guys, welcome to the channel. $160 body kit. So what does it get you? On the outside, of course, body only. The vehicle is not included. On the side of the box, you actually get a look at the 1.9 bead locks, the Traxxas Method bead locks. I did get these, however, they did not come with the locking ring, so for the moment they're useless. And you can see on the side what's in the box. The Bronco body, painted black with clear windows, the mirrors, windshield wipers, chrome door handles, the chrome grille and side trim, front bumper, with push bar and rear bumper, spare tire mount, the sunset and the red decal set, decal, and the rear body mount. Alright, so the box pretty much opens up just like it would if you had bought a RTR. And here's everything inside. So right out of the box, a lot of this stuff's already put together for you. The spare tire and carrier already put on, as well as the back molding, side moldings, and the front molding, grille lights, all that good stuff. The body comes with the clear windows in the front just like the RTR. The rear windows are darkened, and they put the windshield wipers on for you. What you need to do to complete the body is put on the side mirrors, and these look like the door handles. The kit also comes with the back bumper and the front bumper, so really you can just put it right onto the frame, be ready to go. And the kit comes with the rear body mount, so you can use this mount if you have the Traxxas Defender, which has a different rear mount. The kit comes with the mount for the Bronco. And I gotta be honest, I'm kind of torn. This black body looks really cool. I have two sets of stickers, but I don't know. If I did anything, it would be the red, because I already have the sunset. But I'm kind of digging the black for the moment. And I haven't done anything as far as comparing prices per part, but with this you at least get the entire kit. Everything's included in one box, so you don't have to buy the spare tire, the push bar, all that stuff separate. Traxxas does have a clear body that you can purchase, but you would then have to go ahead and buy all the accessories to go onto that clear body. But the advantage of the clear body is that you can paint it your own color, do what you like with it, and I think that only goes for about $60 US. Alright guys, so that's about it. I just wanted to show you the TRX4 Bronco kit, body kit, show you what was included for $160. Is it worth it? Well, that's up to you. I think it's pretty cool because you get a lot of stuff with it, but again, everyone has their own opinion. So if you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all soon.